Today, we're diving into some major drama between two of the biggest names in the world right now. Donald Trump, former president of the United States, and Elon Musk, the billionaire tech genius behind Tesla and X. If you think celebrity drama only happens in Hollywood, think again. Politics and tech billionaires can get just as intense, sometimes even more. Did you know these two used to be pretty friendly?
Yeah.
They used to praise each other. But now, it's a full-on public feud. So, what caused this huge falling out? Stick around, because this story has everything: threats, insults, political questions, and even a possible new political party. The drama kicked off when Elon Musk openly criticized a big spending and tax bill that Donald Trump proposed. Musk said this bill could push the national debt to a mind-blowing $36.2 trillion. Just to give you perspective, the U.S. national debt is already massive, and an increase that big worries a lot of people, especially economists and politicians. At first, Trump stayed quiet about Musk's criticism. You might wonder, why wouldn't he respond? Well, sometimes political figures stay silent to avoid making a fight worse. But Musk didn't hold back. He actively campaigned against the bill, using his huge social media influence. And that's when Trump finally spoke up. On June 5, 2025, in the Oval Office, no less. Trump told reporters he was very disappointed with Musk's behavior. But here's what's interesting. Trump said Musk understands the details of this bill better than almost anyone in the room. Imagine that, Trump's basically saying, Elon, you get it more than me, but still he's upset. Because Musk was using his knowledge to publicly attack Trump's policies. It's like a student correcting their teacher, except this is way more high stakes. Then, Musk dropped a bombshell. He posted a message on X, the social media platform he owns, asking, "Is it time to form a new political party in America to truly represent the 80% in the middle?" That's a big deal. Think about it. A new political party could change the entire American political landscape. Could this be the start of a third major party challenging Republicans and Democrats? And here's something to consider. Musk is basically saying most Americans feel left out by current politics. If that's true, what does it mean for future elections? The same day, Musk doubled down by saying he would outlast Trump. He posted on X that he's thinking long-term, over 40 years. That's a bold claim from a tech billionaire who's used to shaking up industries like electric cars, space travel, and social media. But Trump wasn't having any of it. On his own social media platform, Truth Social, Trump went on the offensive. He called Musk more of a nuisance and said Musk was going crazy. Trump also reminded everyone that he repealed Musk's electric vehicle mandate, a government rule that was supposed to push Americans to buy electric cars. Trump claimed Musk already knew this repeal was coming. But here's the real kicker. Trump suggested that cutting government subsidies and contracts with Musk's companies would save billions of dollars from the federal budget. He even said he was surprised President Biden hadn't done it already. Now, you might be wondering, why do these threats even matter? Well, Elon Musk runs some of the biggest companies in the world: Tesla, SpaceX, and others. These companies often work with the government and rely on contracts or subsidies to keep innovating and building. If Trump actually cuts those deals, it could seriously impact Musk's business. On the flip side, Musk's push for a new political party could change the way Americans vote, especially if millions feel unrepresented. Could Musk go from tech billionaire to political kingmaker? It's wild to think these two were once on good terms. Early in Trump's presidency, Musk praised him and even met with him to discuss technology and space. Trump called Musk a visionary, and Musk seemed to support Trump's ideas at first. But that all changed as politics got messy and Musk started speaking out more critically. This feud shows how complicated the relationships between politics and business have become. When billionaires like Musk get involved in politics, it blurs the lines between government decisions and corporate interests. And when politicians like Trump respond with threats to cut contracts, it raises questions about fairness and power. Will Trump actually cut government contracts with Musk's companies? Will Musk launch a new political party? Will their feud impact the 2026 elections? We don't know yet, but it's definitely a story to watch. And honestly, it's kind of like watching a real-life political thriller unfold. Thanks for sticking with me through this juicy story. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more updates on celebrity and political drama, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for new videos every week. And hey, what do you think about this Trump versus Musk battle? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take.